Hi, this is Kenny Ingram, and I am here to make a video about autoresponder software. Autoresponders are actually used for when you want to capture somebody's name and email, and you load it with specific emails that you want to send to these people over a period of time. You can actually load it with one email or several hundred emails. And then when the person enters their name and email, they're subscribed to your database until they unsubscribe, which means they're going to get an email sequence for all the emails that you set up. Now, I did a search for the best email software, and I found an article on HubSpot that lists them. And of course, HubSpot is number one according to them. And then GetResponse, and then Aweber, and then Klaviyo, MailChimp. Some of these are free, like MailChimp. MailChimp is free, but it doesn't have as much features as the paid versions. You can only have like 2,000 subscribers before you have to start paying. Each one of these services are dependent upon the number of subscribers that you have. So let's take a look at that. Let's look at some of the differences. Let's look at the top two is Aweber and GetResponse. Okay, I'm on a page here from SendShark, which is a service from Joel Therian. He's the owner of GoGVO, which is another autoresponder service, and he's created this new service called SendShark. But it also shows here that with GetResponse, you have to pay $370 a month for 50,000 email subscribers. And then Aweber is $250 a month for the same 50,000 emails. SendShark is $25 a month for 50,000 subscribers. So if you're running any type of online business, you know that the money's in the list. And if you're building your list, your costs for that list are going to increase according to the number of subscribers that you have. So I'd like to introduce you to a service called SendShark. Let's take a look here. Build your email list. 50,000 subscribers for $25 a month, which means you can have up to 50,000 subscribers. They have the ability to build a massive list. They have the option of creating lead pages, capture lead pages, and then email marketing, automation. Then if you're worried about deliverability, there is another issue. Some of the email campaigns or software services that you use, when they send out an email, it ends up in the spam folder. So unless your clients or leads or customers make a habit of checking out their spam folder, which I know I don't, only when I'm looking for something, they're never going to see your email. So you want to make sure that the deliverability rate on your email send is going to be opened by the leads that you send your emails to. They have a few testimonials here. Create your own lead pages, build your mailing lists up to 50,000. API features, which means you can integrate it with other programs. You can send your emails in HTML or plain. You can schedule the day and time of your sends. They have an awesome template library for lead page builders and creating forms for your funnels for your lead capture pages. If you want to have a form to capture your emails with, they have an awesome wizard that will help you go through that. So let's go ahead and log in. Let me show you what it looks like. So we're logged into our account, and if we click on the dashboard over here, it gives us access to the home page dashboard. You can set up campaigns. You can put custom fields in there. You have a whole bunch of messages that you can send. Broadcast subscribers. It shows all your subscribers. Your forums. If you go to the forum wizard, it's an awesome tool to be able to create a forum for your website. And they have generic forums, business forums, health and fitness. Let's click on the business forums. You just choose which forum you like. It goes through the wizard as far as selecting the campaign that you want to hook it up to. They have the option to do both single opt-in and double opt-in. Double opt-in is when they receive an email that says you subscribe to this email list. Please click on this link in order to verify your subscription. Or they can have a single opt-in, which means they are not sent an email but are automatically entered into the campaign that they're signing up for. Also, if you're set up with this for your service, you can actually promote it and get paid 50% of the monthly payment as an affiliate commission. So if you're paying $25 a month, 50% of that is $12.50 a month. And if you go to the reseller tools option, you can see they have a live call schedule in case you want to do like a Facebook event and invite your people to a live call. They give you the link to do that with. Or if you want promo links, they actually give you banners, ad copy, videos. They got videos here that you can use for advertising. You can scroll through and look at the videos and see if you want to actually use them. They have the little embed button or the share button, or you can actually download them and import them into your website. For $25 a month, it's an awesome service. So let's take a look at what's included with your service. As I mentioned, 50,000 subscribers, 99% inbox deliverability, ultra-fast mail sending, 50,000 follow-ups, and campaigns to run as many businesses as you want, drag and drop lead page builder, and then the resellers program for 50% residual income. So if you know anything about autoresponders, you'll understand that this is a totally awesome service. I actually use it in my Legendary Marketing service because Legendary Marketer is actually trying to promote AWeber through their 15-day campaign, and they give you the option to use AWeber or your own email autoresponder. And since we're talking about Legendary Marketer, they actually have an option for you to download all the emails that they send. If you're a member with Legendary Marketer, you can log into your back office and then click on the email autoresponder list, and it gives you a full document of all the different emails that you can send. You can upload them into your autoresponder and start building your list that way. So whatever service you're using, I would highly recommend for you to take a look at this. You might consider switching over, or you might consider staying with where you're at. One other thing I'd like to mention is if you already have a large list and you want to import your list to SendShark, then you log into your back office and then click on Import Export, and then Manual Import. The service SendShark is set up so that they're not going to have a bunch of spam complaints. So the way that they have their import set up is that you can clean your list and then send them an email, and that email will tell them to expect a very special opt-in message from you so that they will be transferred into this SendShark Autoresponder instead of whatever one you're using. You can go down the import export and read all the rules for how to do that. So if you're just starting off with an online business, I think $25 a month is an awesome price to have the ability to build up to 50,000 subscribers without having to pay the large fees that it would cost to have that many subscribers. In the description, I've included a link that you can use to check it out. You can sign up for free and get access to the back office, and then you can upgrade if you want. When you click on the link, you'll be brought to this page, and you can watch the video. You can scroll down and read everything all about it. So I invite you to take a look at it, and please contact me if you have any questions. If you're watching this on YouTube, go ahead and subscribe to our channel, and then click on the bell notification so that we can send you more videos. You'll be notified of new videos. Hit the like button so that we can share this with other people and get noticed better on YouTube. This is Kenny, and I hope that we give you value as far as being able to provide you with services that are cost effective, so that you're not spending all your money on services. We're hoping that we can introduce services to you that will help alleviate having to pay large fees for services that you can get at much lower prices. We look forward to helping you out in any way we can, and hope to see you take advantage of this wonderful opportunity. Blessings.